they trying to kill me?
I'm not sure.
I just want to go back to being a farting turkey. I had slippers. Slippers. What are you doing? I've got this completely under control. Are you crazy? You've had nothing under control.
Troll?
It's an old TFM trick. It's called sound diversion.
Sound diversion? With a lug nut. Ow, right in the eye!
Are you kidding me?
Oh, they see you. Run!
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir.
That is very weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously, we should deal with the contaminant.
Copy that. All units report to level H.